Brian, tell me what life is after starting to use Simics here at Milwaukee Golf Club.
Everything has gotten a lot easier as far as maintaining and cleaning and just maintaining a product, from our bathrooms to our kitchen to our maintenance crew with the equipment, and shockingly even our range balls and everything have just it's become a more consistent product that has allowed us to give our consumers a better result as well. But where it's really outshined is just its consistency for the employees as far as flooring is more consistent, the bathrooms are easier to clean, just kind of everything's easier, and from bar, kitchen, golf shop, maintenance, it goes across the board. It's an all-encompassing product. It doesn't leave anything behind as far as smells, residues. It's not toxic to you. It's good for food as well, for our grill as well, and just allows us to use one product across the board, which again, I wish we would have bought this months ago, because we'd have saved tons on other chemicals that we could have just done with this one product, and just it'll make life going forward a lot easier, that we only need one as opposed to 10 different things to do 10 different jobs. And it'll also save bundles next year, the year after that, and just makes life easier.